Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are in Book 2, Chapter 4, Systems of Linear Equations, Lesson 7, Solving Systems of Equations Using Elimination. So what does elimination mean? Could mean a lot of things. It depends. Elimination, to me, personally, means to get rid of something. If I'm going to eliminate something, I'm just going to get rid of it. So if that's how you think, then that's what you think, to get rid of it. You could say to remove. If you want to remove something, delete. Any of those things. That's what eliminate means. And I know if you're playing GTA, it means something else, but we're not talking about that. This is math. Okay, so elimination method. Remember how we talked about algebraic methods of solving systems of equations? This is the other algebraic method. The first one was substitution, and now this one is elimination. Those are the only two we're going to work with, so let's just get good at it, shall we? The goal with elimination is to get rid of one of the variables, i.e., to eliminate one of them. And in order to do that, you have to have the same variables lined up and opposite signs. In other words, I have x, one is negative, one is positive. In order to do this, you need to have the same variables, i.e. x and y, but one of them has to have the same coefficient and a different sign. So, same variable, same coefficient, so variable is x. The coefficient here would be 1, even though you don't see it. So same variable, same coefficient, opposite signs. It's not going to work unless you have that same variable, same coefficient, opposite signs. Now, add the equations vertically. That means up and down. So let's start over here. 19 plus negative 10 is 9. 5y plus 4y is 9y. And then this. Negative x and positive x is 0. 0 plus 9y is 9y equals 9. All right, solve this equation for the remaining variable y, because we eliminated the x. It's gone now from this equation. So to solve it, divide both sides by 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. I have 1y equals 9 divided by 9, still 1. I have y is 1. Now, I have to find the x. My x. Now we're going to substitute the value of the variable from step 3, that's 1, in any of the given equations. My personal opinion is look for positive variables. Look for positive variables. So for this, I have positive x, positive y, and negative 10. I want the variables to be positive. So I'm going to rewrite the equation that I'm using so that the person grading me, that's me, knows what equation I'm using. If you just start filling in numbers and I don't know what equation you're using, you're going to get it wrong. So rewrite the equation, show the substitution. So where the y is, in parentheses, is going to go 1. Everything else stays the same. X plus 4 equals negative 10. 4 times 1 is 4, so x plus 4 is negative 10, and I gave myself very little room to work. Subtract 4 from both sides, and x equals negative 14. Put a little box around it because it's a gift, and now my x goes first, negative 14 My y1 goes second. You have to have them in x, y ordered pairs. All right, let's try this one. Make it a little bigger so you can see it nice and easy. And which one has the same variable, the same coefficient, and opposite signs? Well, that would be the y. So I am going to eliminate the y. So how do I do that? First, I'm going to add them vertically. 10 plus 2 is 12. Negative y and positive y is 0. 2x, I should have a 1 here. 2x plus 1x is 3x. 3x plus, that looks like a y, be careful. 3x plus 0 is 3x, equals 12. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 4. So now I have half of my answer. I still need to go back and find y. So, oh, lucky us, I have positive variables on this second one. X plus y equals 2. For this one, 4 plus y equals 2. I'm going to minus 4 from both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0. Y equals 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So now I have a solution. I also have, dun, 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 a box for my solution. So I'm going to put this solution for negative 2 in the box. And I would get that wrong. The reason I'm getting it wrong, I didn't put parentheses around my solution. If you don't have those parentheses, you're going to get the problem wrong. Be careful. Let's try this next one. What's wrong with this problem? Well, things aren't lined up. That's the first problem. So the first thing I need to do is align the variables. Now, line up and align mean the same thing. So align the variables. So I'll write the first one the way it is because I have x and y in the right order. So 3x plus 2y equals 10. And this one's going to flip-flop. I want 5x under 3y and negative 2y under 2y. And the equals 6 stays the same. I'm going to add vertically. Now that I have things aligned correctly, I can add the like terms. If you align the like terms, you can add the like terms. It's easier that way. 10 plus 6 is 16. And negative 2 and positive 2 is 0. And 3x plus 5x is 8x. Divide both sides by 8. And I get x equals 2. I have to go back and find y. Well, I'm going to use the first equation again because positive variables. 3x plus 2y is 10. 3. Now I substitute 2 in parentheses. Why is it in parentheses? Because I'm going to multiply. It has a coefficient. All right. Plus 2y is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2y, 10. Subtract 6 from both sides. 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. Boy, this is getting long. Divide both sides by 2. And y equals 2. Hey, look at that. Isn't that nice? X equals 2 and y equals 2. That makes my solution a little easier. And have the same numbers, the order isn't going to matter. All right. Let's take a look on the top of the next page. Pause the video and do the checkpoint. You are not going to learn math unless you do math. I'll wait for you. Oh, are you back already? You didn't even try you got to try the problem. Turn the video off. Try the problem. Oh, you did try all right. So you'll notice that you have your x's aligned here. Same variable x, same coefficient 2, opposite signs, plus and negative. So they are lined up nice and neat. All right. 10 plus 14 is 24. Positive 2x and negative 2x is 0. 2y plus 4y is 6y. All right, divide both sides by 6, and y equals 4. So I have the y, now I have to go back and find the x. I'm going to use the first equation because everything there is positive. And I put a equal sign where an addition sign should go. That's not helping anybody, Bono. Here we go. 2y plus 2x equals 10. 2. Now I'm going to substitute 4 in parentheses for y because I want it to multiply. Plus 2x equals 10. 8 plus 2x equals 10. I'm going to minus 8 from both sides. And 2x equals 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And x equals 1. Okay, not bad, not bad. All right, let's try the problems on the bottom. The problem with this problem is they're not aligned. So I'm going to copy the first one. Negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 4. Don't lose your negative sign. And the next one, I'm going to flip-flop the 2x and the negative y, 2y. So 2x minus 2y equals 4. Ooh, look what's happening here. If I add these together, negative and negative, negative 4 and positive 4 is 0. 2y and negative 2y, also 0. 2x and negative 2x, also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, it equals 0. Well, that's true. I've eliminated my variables, both of them, and now I have 0 equals 0. That is infinitely many solutions. Now let's take a look at the next one. Well, I have, look at this. It's all lined up nice and neat already. I have 6y and negative 6y. I have x and negative x. That is going to be 0 plus 0. And then 9 plus 15 is 24. Wait a second. 0 is not equal to 24. That's not equal. What does that mean? Oh, I remember. No solutions. All right. So, infinitely many solutions, no variable, and it's equal on the bottom. No solutions, no variable, and it's not equal on the bottom. No solutions, not equal. Many solutions, all equal. All right. Your homework is page 115. You've got this. Bye.